Best LED TV backlights. I bought and tested these LED TV backlights so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're looking to elevate your home viewing experience, you're in the right place. I've dived into the nitty-gritty of 5 top products to help you choose the best one for your needs. Product number 1, Cantu LED lights for TV. I recently installed the Cantu LED lights for my 65-inch TV, and let me tell you, it was a game changer for movie nights. The 16.4-foot LED strip was just the right length to wrap around all 4 sides of my screen, creating a stunning ambient glow that transformed my living room into a mini theater. The installation was a breeze thanks to the strong adhesive backing. No need for additional tools or expertise. Just peel, stick, and plug it into the USB port of my TV. Now, let's talk about the experience. Once I had everything set up, I connected the lights to the Bluetooth app on my smartphone. The app is user-friendly and offers a staggering 16 million color options. I could easily adjust the brightness and cycle through various modes, including a music sync feature. This feature is where the Cantu shines. Product number 2, Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite. Next up is the Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite, which I found to be a more high-tech option. Priced at $74.99, this product packs some impressive features. The installation was straightforward. The fisheye correction function on the camera ensured accurate color matching, which was crucial for my viewing experience. It fits perfectly with my 55-inch TV, and it's designed to eliminate those annoying black bars during movies, enhancing the overall aesthetic. When I first powered it on, I was blown away by the vivid colors produced by the RGB ICW technology. The addition of a warm white chip really adds a new level of nuance to the colors, making everything from animated films to action-packed scenes pop in ways I hadn't experienced before. Product number 3, KSIPZE LED lights for TV. Now, let's talk about the KSIPZE LED lights, which I discovered for just $7.98. When I first unboxed it, I was skeptical about the lower price, but the quality pleasantly surprised me. This 16.5-foot strip is ideal for my 70-inch TV and creates an immersive viewing experience that matches higher-priced products. The installation was a snap. All I had to do was plug it into the USB port, and I was ready to go. The dynamic smart control was a standout feature. I loved how I could change colors, adjust brightness, and even explore different modes via the app or the handheld remote. I decided to throw a gaming night with friends, and the strobe and fade modes created an electrifying ambiance that really ramped up the excitement. Product number 4, Govee TV LED Backlight. The 4th product on my list is another gem from Govee, the Govee TV LED Backlight. Priced at $24.49, it's more budget-friendly than the 3 Lite, but still packs a punch. I installed this on my 55-inch TV, and the first thing I noticed was the superior RGB IC technology. It segments colors beautifully, allowing for a more dynamic light display that truly enhances the viewing experience. Using the app was a breeze, and I immediately started exploring the 99-plus preset scenes. I had a blast experimenting with different lighting effects that perfectly matched the mood of the shows I was watching, or the beats of the music I was listening to. The built-in mic from Music Sync is another fantastic feature. It really brings the lights to life during parties or casual hangouts. Product number 5, Cantu LED lights for TV. 2nd option. Lastly, we have the Cantu LED lights again, but this time as an alternative option. With similar features to the first model, this strip is priced at $8.99 and aims to deliver the same great experience. I decided to test this one out in my game room, and it immediately set the mood for an epic gaming atmosphere. The experience was delightful. The vibrant colors and customizable options allowed me to create a unique ambiance that matched the intensity of the games I was playing. The Bluetooth app is intuitive, and I loved that I could control everything right from my phone. The music sync feature was also a hit when I played some high-energy tracks, as the lights danced along with the rhythm, creating a nightclub-like feel in my room. After testing these 5 products, I can confidently say that there's something for everyone, whether you're on a budget or willing to invest a bit more for advanced features. If you want to enhance your viewing experience, any of these LED TV backlights will do the trick. Happy viewing!